How to see your Messenger password if you forgot it. First of all, open your Messenger application and log in on the account of which you want to see the password, and tap on the menu bar. Here, tap on the gear icon and scroll down to password and security. Tap on it, and again on account settings, tap on password and security. Tap on change password, and here you can see your account. Tap on it and you can see that you can't really see your password, so get back. After that, another way is that you may go to your settings, phone settings, and see if you've saved your password on Google account or not. Just scroll down and go to Google, and here tap on manage your Google account. Swipe to security and scroll down to password manager. If you've saved your password will appear here, but since I have not saved anything, so I can't really see it. So if you have saved your password, you can see it from your Google account, but if you don't have it, you can't really see your password in Messenger. So that's it. In this way, you may see your password of Messenger if you forgot it. Thank you for watching this video.